Good morning, guys. Today is our second sea day aboard the Carnival Sunrise. Tomorrow we're back to Miami for the end of our cruise. So today we wanted to show you what you can do on a sea day when you're on a cruise.
Or what we do while we're on the sea day. So today we're gonna hide the ducks.
They're called cruising ducks.
Cruising ducks.
We found some on one cruise, and there's some Facebook pages that you can go to and share your pictures, so people who hid them can see who found them.
So it's cruisingducks.com. You can go there and post if you find the ducks from...
I'm not sure if it's .com, but Cruising Ducks on Facebook, it's a page. It's like the official Cruising Ducks page. Or if you want to see your duck being hidden, watch our YouTube video if you find one of our ducks.
Today we're going to tell you if the drinking package is worth it or not.
Yeah, we did get the drinking package on this boat. We're going to tell you what we thought about it and if it's worth it or not. And we're also going to show you one of our favorite things, the brunch, which they only do once or twice per cruise. So come with us and see what we do on our sea day. So today we're just on
I wanted right.
So we're gonna start the day off by hiding some ducks. It's a fun little game that we found on Facebook. You hide little rubber ducks around.
Down? Here or here?
And then people post them on Facebook where they found them. You attach little tags to them saying who hid them and what days. And as we're walking around hiding them, we wandered into the main showroom, which they're doing they're showing how to get off the boat and how to tag your luggage and everything about de-embarkation. So it's really interesting, especially if it's your first cruise. It's really helpful. So on sea days, they usually have the sales. There's a bunch of $10 souvenirs and gifts, gold jewelry by the inch, like chains, two for 25 t-shirts, all those sorts of souvenirs. Just wait for a sea day. And we finally made our way to the main dining room for brunch here. It's one of our favorite things to do on Carnival is to go to the brunch.
Morning.
So you can have $5 custom juices like from a juice bar. You have steak and eggs, you have lox, you have...
But if you come late, you're only gonna have 6 hours.
You have grits, you have 12-hour French toast, which is absolutely delicious. We do recommend you go earlier in the brunch. The food tends to be better than towards the end of the brunch. So at brunch, we decided to get some shots of Bailey's for our coffee, just to really try to get through the alcohol package. I mean, to make it worth it, you need to drink at least 6 drinks a day to sort of break even with the alcohol package. So might as well start the day with a Bailey's coffee.
And so far, we forced ourselves to get to 6. So, I think it's worth it for the people who drink a lot.
Yeah, I mean, if you drink a lot, or maybe on a shorter cruise, but I couldn't imagine being on like a 10-day cruise and paying for the drink package and trying to drink 15 or more than 6 alcoholic drinks a day. It does include specialty coffees there, which is nice, so you can go there, but those are like $7 or $8 or less each if you just pay for them. So.
I got my cafe latte and the shot of Bailey's just to spend the drinks because I had the drink package.
The cheers package.
The cheers package. So,
one of the many ways to use your cheers package is put a little Bailey's in your coffee in the morning or some whiskey.
I don't like whiskey, so I'm going to enjoy the Bailey's coffee.
Alright, so this is our brunch. We both got the steak and eggs. Nice simple, like New York strip, fried eggs. This is the 12-hour French toast. Delicious.
Mine
what do they call that?
Pancake. I don't know. It's the Skittle cake.
Really
and they have marshmallows.
Super sweet with a marshmallow on the side.
And look, it makes it look like a bird.
Is that a turtle maybe?
See, 4 legs and so cute.
We're gonna eat. I think this is one of those must-dos on a sea day on any cruise line. And of course, the aftermath of entirely too sweet, inch and a half thick pancakes. You can only eat about half of them. Same with the 12-hour French toast. I will have to say though, both of these dishes are usually way better as soon as they open brunch. This one's still good, but it tends to dry out a bit. I think it sits in a warmer.
It is pretty.
Dry, but it's good. I still
good.
really like it, but I think it's better fresh. And this one sometimes comes out a little undercooked, but it's really interesting having such a thick pancake. And the homemade marshmallows are absolutely delicious. So they even have dessert here at brunch. This is the banana cream pie, like a caramelized banana on top. Let's see if it's any good. Not bad. A little something different in it. Not sure what. Here, try both.
You try? It's banana cream pie. I didn't try the red sauce, so that's probably the problem. It's good. On deck 4, and then find he's hiding the duck on top of the clock. It's hard to see it. We're gonna come back later to see if he's still there. We pick up the tags from the luggage, so we're gonna leave them tonight in front of our room, and tomorrow we're gonna pick up our luggage from the dock, number 11.
One thing you have to do on one of the last days of the cruise is get your luggage tags. They'll be somewhere around the ship. They'll make an announcement. You put them on your luggage before usually 10 or 10:30 at night. They'll come and pick them up, and then you just grab them dockside when you get off the boat in the morning. It's a lot easier than trying to carry it all.
We're not carrying our suitcases out, so that's why we get a luggage bag.
Don't forget to leave a bag with a change of clothes and your medication and your passports. So this is the main gallery. It's a good time to go check it out on a sea day, but remember they are expensive, $13 to $23 a picture, and the same price again if you want the digital copy. If I remember correctly, we found a couple of pictures we wanted, and then we headed over to the showroom for their Christmas show. We went on this cruise during December, so they were having a cute little Christmas show with the Grinch, and it was a lot of fun. So here's some of the pictures we took.
We come to see the Santa Claus show, and we hide the duck right over here. Let's see if anybody's gonna come next to me and find the duck and be happy.
So, I'd like to read you a little bit of Frosty the Snowman. Frosty the Snowman came to town one great cold winter's day. The first real snow of the winter had fallen the night before. In the morning, out came the children, and they started to roll snowballs. Soon, they had two big fine ones. Kids, don't eat the snow, don't eat the snow. It's real snow, I promise you, but don't eat it. You just look at it, catch it. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Look at the snowman!
We only took a couple because we know we're gonna buy one or two. So I think that might have been one of our favorites right there. You don't like this one, huh?
No.
One more time, folks. Give it up for Amber right over here from your cast. But you know what? There's one more song I do want to sing. I've enjoyed everybody here this holiday cruise. I think we should end it in style. How about this one right here?
It's fun when the cruise director and the people sing and have fun and stay at the bar, and they make us fake ice. It's very fun. So I can hear next to me.
Who is that? Santa Claus is standing behind you.
I got my drink in here. Overflowing.
To the holiday show for now.
Cheers,
You've been
Santa.
amazing this cruise. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We hope you've had an amazing holiday. And remember, there's plenty going on, including bingo right now over in the Liquid Lounge. Thanks for coming out, everybody, and happy holidays! Happy holidays!
Wow, that's exciting. I hope somebody finds it.
So rules for hiding your ducks. Do it in public spaces, indoors only, and not in any of the shops.
I'm happy the little girl find the duck at the show. So let's see if somebody find the other duck.
Oh, that would have been a great place to hide a duck. Back to duck hiding, but we were out of them.
Oh, no more duckies. Somebody find my
That's where we did hide one of them. It's fun to go back and check to see if people found the ducks you hid. So this is another really popular thing to do on the ships. Bring little door banners and decorate your doors. Christmas. Happy 51st birthday to Jim. And actually down here we have the 60th. So these door decorations are cute. We always forget to bring stuff to decorate our doors with, but it's a lot of fun.
I wrote him happy birthday.
You wrote Jim happy birthday?
Yes. Should I tell Mark and Kayla Merry Christmas?
No. So on the last day, our room attendant put out our luggage mats to start getting our luggage all ready. Another cute little towel flower this time. There's also 2 pieces of paper they lay out that give you all the instructions for your de-embarkation day, when to put out your luggage, where to be, where breakfast is on your last day before you get off the boat. So that's where we hid the duck in the second elevator, and it's still there. It made it through 2 elevators full of people. Let's see if whoever gets on finds it. Oh, nobody got on. It's been about 10 minutes and the duck is still there in the number 2 elevator. It's amazing sometimes how long the ducks last. So we're here at the Alchemy Bar, and the menus here are super cool. They light up when you open them, and they have all these really interesting different drinks here at the Alchemy Bar.
We're gonna go eat and come back.
And then come back. So the drinks are $12 each plus tax and tip. So they work out to like 15 bucks here. And we are gonna hide a duck right here. All right, so we decided the only way to get through a drink package is to do shots. And these are B52 shots.
Cheers for the best cruise.
Cheers to a good cruise. So this is the steak ale cheddar soup. Last time I had it, I remember it was good. Let's try it again. That's one of the better things on the boat.
That's good. I have the same thing.
Beef short ribs. And I got the black bean vegetarian enchiladas. So it is good to know though, if you're vegetarian, there is a ton of vegetarian options on the boat, so don't worry about it.
Enjoy it.
Well, we found the huntress. She's right there. She's on the hunt for our ducks. I think she's found 2 out of the 4 that are over there right now. And maybe in about a month, she'll look on our YouTube and see herself hunting for ducks. I think I have entirely too much fun with these ducks. You just get them off of Amazon. They're like, I don't know, a couple of cents each if you buy a whole bunch of them. Let's see if there's any left. Oh, the one on the corner is gone. Did I put one in the seat? I forgot. Oh, if I did, that one's gone too. Let's see if we can find any other ducks. Let's go talk to the person who found all the ducks. I should have come and put them back here. I don't see no ducks. Who? I don't know what you're talking about. We could- This is the end of our cruise, guys. Thanks for watching. We had a great 5-day cruise aboard the Carnival Sunrise to Jamaica and Grand
Ocho
Cayman.
Rios.
Yeah, Jamaica Ocho Rios is the port we went to,
In Grand Cayman,
in Grand Cayman.
which is Cayman Islands.
Yes.
So we had a great tour. We liked the ship. Do we like the food?
The food was okay.
Okay.
Maybe it's just because we've taken so many cruises this year and Carnival doesn't really switch up their menus very well.
So we like the cruise. We like the drink package. Let's talk about the drink package. Do we recommend it?
I'll tell you, you better be ready to drink pretty hard and heavy to make the drink package really worth it. We barely probably broke even on the drink package. We might have even lost money. So.
Okay, so we tell you, we pay $5.99
Plus
for-
gratuities.
plus 109 gratuities, so $708 for 5 days.
For 5 days, which basically means you need like
$70
Yeah.
to drink per person in a day.
right and drinks.
So for us, it was not worth it.
No, yeah, drinks are anywhere between like $9 and $14, give or take, for an alcoholic drink, and Cokes are $3 or $4, and specialty coffees are like $5 plus tax and
So
tip.
I had too many pina coladas
Yeah.
just to get my money worth of.
Right, I couldn't.
So if you don't drink beer or hard alcohol, the
right,
package is not good.
it's nice to have because you don't like you go to buy a $10 pina colada and you feel like it's a little expensive, but the drink package will really get you, especially on the port days where you're just on the ship for a couple of hours.
But overall, we enjoyed the ship. We enjoyed all the nights here. We had fun, and
Yeah.
we do recommend
We
it.
do recommend going on cruises. They're a lot of fun. They're super easy. It's easy to get, a bunch of different groups on it and just have fun and take a cruise for what it is, not for what it's not. Go to the comedians, go to the show, watch the OK shows, play along with the stupid games that the cruise director does. Just enjoy yourself on a cruise.
We lost on this, but who cares? We have fun.